Shuffleboard, how to play. The object of the 2-player game is to be the first to get 15 points. For 4 players, be the first team to get 21 points. Give 1 player on each team a set of 4 colored pucks. If playing with teams of 2, teammates are across from each other and alternate shots each round. Pick a player to start off the game and shoot first. Each round, 2 opposing players will alternate turns sliding pucks down the board. There are 2 foul lines on the board. On your turn to shoot, you must release the puck before your hand crosses the closest foul line. If you don't, then that puck shot is forfeited and removed from the board for the round and is not reshot. Any puck that stops before the farthest foul line is invalid and is immediately removed from the board for the round. Once both players have shot all 4 pucks, then scoring happens. The player with the puck that is farthest down the board is the winner for the round. Only the winner scores each round. The winner scores for each of their pucks that is farther down the board than their opponent's furthest puck. If 2 opposing pucks tie, then the winner does not score it. Score 1 point for each valid puck in the closest zone, 2 for the middle, and 3 for the farthest. Pucks that overlap 2 zones count as the lesser value. A puck that is hanging off of the far edge of the board scores 4 points instead of 3. All pucks that slid off or were knocked off the board by another puck during shooting and are in the gutter score 0 points. The winning team for the round adds the valid points to their total score, then shoots first in the next round. Each round, alternate which direction of the board you shoot from. If there is no winner in a round, or the farthest pucks tied, then the player or team that shot first in the last round shoots first in the next round. The first player or team to reach the required number of points, leading by 2, wins.